Hi, and welcome to the AromaHead YouTube channel. I'm Karen, and today I'm going to show you how to get sleep more easily when you feel congested by just diffusing 3 essential oils. This recipe is called the Sleep and Breathe Diffuser Blend. It's made with 3 essential oils that are full of inflammation, calming, sinus clearing, natural components, and it really smells amazing. First, I'm going to add 2 drops of lavender essential oil. This is the Lavandula angustifolia. So I'm going to take apart my diffuser, add water up to my fill line, and then we're ready to add our essential oils. 2 drops of Lavandula angustifolia, common lavender. Lavender has been widely studied, and it's probably the most famous essential oil for relaxing the mind and the body. Lavender is rich in a natural component called linalool. A mountain of research has been done on linalool, so we know that it helps reduce inflammation, and we know that it's very calming for the nervous system. It's part of what makes lavender oil an excellent choice for both soothing constricted sinuses and helping you sleep. Second, we have an oil called Tamala. I'm adding 4 drops to my diffuser. Tamala has a lovely, soft, radiant aroma that reminds some people of cinnamon, but it's very unique. Once you smell this, you'll want to add it to all of your blends. It's that good. Tamala is rich in 2 powerful components. One is linalool, the same component that we talked about for our lavender, and the other is 1,8-cineol. This is a potent constituent for respiratory health, especially when you're dealing with any kind of congestion. 1,8-cineol also happens to be the main component in eucalyptus oil. Our third oil is sweet orange, and I'm going to add 3 drops of our sweet orange into this blend. Sweet orange contains D-limonene, which boosts both your mood and your immunity, while also promoting clear, comfortable breathing. In fact, sweet orange is one of my favorite oils for feeling calm and happy. Now we need to finish off our blend. So we will add our top part. And there's so many different wonderful diffusers out there. Put the top on this particular diffuser I get at Aromatics International. And it has a top that you can swirl around that the steam can go any direction that you want. You can also choose 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hours. I turn it on, and I think I'll just do it for 1 hour. And I can move this so that the diffusion is going off to the side, move it so it's going off to this side or straight ahead, wherever I need that to be. I can aim it that direction. So if you want more information about these essential oils, there's a link that will take you right to the blog post with more information right in this post. So thank you for watching. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you with another recipe in just a few weeks.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.